Kindly, this is my RA.
Who is it?
So I'm going out. Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So I'm just going out to get a random ask, and I'm going to see how people are going to react. Because I mean, I'm not really that open with a lot of people. Like I'm open to a lot of people, but not everyone. So I'm going to see. Watch out how it's gonna go. If people are gonna snub me, or people are gonna grab me and hug me so tight. So guys, kindly watch out and how it's gonna go. I'm getting ready to get my hug. So I'm going to the cafeteria. Actually, I think nobody's on campus. I feel like nobody's on campus, but let me just go and see. Okay. So I got two people at the same time. Hi David, can you give me a hug? Can you give me a hug? Oh, that was so nice, David. Oh, actually, you see, that was so nice. Let me see. If I'll get another person. Oh, okay. So I've seen two people coming. Jenny saying, can I get a hug, please? Oh, you're so sweet. Happy, you didn't give me a hug. What is it? What is it? Hi, Given. Can I get a hug? Can I get a hug? Hi, Harry. Can I get a hug? Oh, that's so nice.
Why not to the video?
Can I get a hug from you? Oh, okay. Thank you. I'm making a YouTube video. Kindly, can I get a hug? Kindly, this is my RA.
Who is it?
So give me a hug.